this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Olympia Cremina here. So this machine came in for some heating issues, which came from two sources. So first of all, the reset switch was broken. It was stuck open, so basically it wouldn't send power to the heating element. Secondly, the pressure stat, it was damaged. Here you can see some of the damage to the pressure stat. There's that micro switch there. It's a pretty unique pressure stat, so I actually replaced it with a newer style one that's less likely to have this corrosion, stuff like that. And when I replaced both of those things, I needed to replace the wiring along with them. So, here are some of those older wires. And after this, I gave the machine a full tune-up. So that just means replacing these piston gaskets here, group head gasket that holds the portafilter, a few other ones here and on the cap and in the steam assembly. And that's about it for this repair. So I just want to do a quick demo to show you that everything is working. So let's start with the steam. Hopefully you can see that. And then I'll pull a shot of espresso. This is just our test coffee, so it's not perfectly calibrated to the machine. So this is coming out a bit slow, it's just because it's our test coffee, which is a little bit too finely ground for this machine. So ideally I'd want the shot to come out a little faster than that. But that's just a matter of grind setting. So. Alright, that's about it for this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.